Hello, good morning students. Myself Veena, Assistant Professor, Government Science College, Bangalore. In this class, let us study about two-dimensional Laplace equation in polar form as well as construction of analytic equation in polar form. Two-dimensional Laplace equation in polar form the equation dou square f by dou r square plus 1 by r dou f by dou r plus 1 by r square dou square f by dou theta square equals to 0 is called the two-dimensional Laplace's equation in the polar form. It is called two-dimensional Laplace's equation in the polar form. In the Cartesian form, it is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square, or dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square equals to 0. Okay. So point to be remember or remark. First one, the CR equation in polar form is given by dou u by dou r plus is equal to dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r dou v by dou theta and dou u by dou theta is equal to minus r dou v by dou r. If f of z is equal to u of r theta plus I into v of r theta is an analytic function, then f dash z exists and it is equal to e raised to minus I theta dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r. And second condition is second one, given u of r theta and v of u of r theta, given u of r theta, find v of r theta and vice versa. If v r theta is given, you have to find out u of r theta by empty method by putting r equals to z and theta equal to 0. As in case of Cartesian equation, x equal to z and y equal to 0. Here r equals to z and theta equals to 0. So let us solve some examples. First one, find the analytic function whose real part is r plus 1 by r cos theta. Given u is equal to r plus 1 by r cos theta. So dou u by dou r is equal to, now differentiation of r plus 1 by r is, differentiation of r is 1 by r is minus 1 by r square cos theta, and dou u by dou theta is equal to r plus 1 by r constant, and differential of cos theta is minus sin theta. Now let f of z is equal to u plus iv be the required analytic function. Then f dash z is equal to dou u by dou r. Before that we have to write down e raised to minus I theta into dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r, or that is equal to e raised to minus I theta dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r is equal to minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta by using CR equation, or that is equal to e raised to minus I theta dou u by dou r minus I into dou u by dou theta by r. Now this is equal to e raised to minus I theta dou u by dou r is by using this dou u by dou r and dou u by dou theta 1 minus 1 by r square cos theta minus I by r plus 1 by r minus sin theta, or that is equal to e raised to minus I theta 1 minus 1 by r square cos theta minus into minus plus I into r by r cancels 1 plus 1 by r square sin theta. By MT method, Milne-Thomson method, put r equals to z and theta equals to 0 in the above equation. F dash z is equal to e raised to minus I theta. Theta is equal to 0 means its value becomes 1. 1 minus 1 by r square is z square. Cos theta, cos 0 is 1 plus I into 1 plus 1 by z square into sin theta is 0, or that is equal to 1 minus 1 by z square, because second term is 0, or f of z is equal to integration of 1 minus 1 by z square with respect to dz plus c. Now integration of 1 is z, integration of 1 by z square is plus 1 by z plus c. This is the answer, that is f of z is equal to z plus 1 by z plus c. Here when we have solved the example when the real part is given. The second example is when imaginary part is given. Second one, find the analytic function f of z whose imaginary part is minus sin 2 theta divided by r square, where r is not equals to 0. Given v equals to minus sin 2 theta by r square. Therefore, dou v by dou r is equal to minus sin 2 theta is constant into differentiation of 1 by r square is minus 1 by r, that is equal to sin 2 theta by r. dou v by dou theta is equal to differentiation of sin 2 theta is cos 2 theta and differentiation of 2 theta is 2, that is minus of into r square. Since f of z is analytic, f dash z exists and f dash z is equal to e raised to minus I theta dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r, or that is equal to e raised to minus I theta. Now we have only imaginary part v, therefore convert this dou u by dou r in terms of v by using CR equation, that is 1 by r dou v by dou theta plus I into dou v by dou r by using CR equation, or that is equals to e raised to minus I theta 1 minus 1 by r 2 cos 2 theta by r square plus I into dou v by dou r is sin 2 theta by r square. By Milne-Thomson method, put r equals to z and theta is equal to 0, we get f dash z is equal to, in this equation e raised to minus I theta becomes 1 minus cos 0 is 1, 2 by r cube means in place of r we have to put z cube plus I into sin 0 is 0, so this is equal to minus 2 divided by z cube, or f of z is equal to minus 2 is a constant, take outside, integration of 1 divided by z cube with respect to dz plus c, or minus 2 into integration of 1 by z cube is z raised to minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c, or that is equal to minus 2 get cancels, so z raised to minus 2 is 1 by z square plus c. F of z is equal to 1 by z square plus c, which is the required analytic function. So we can find out v of r theta when u of r theta is given, or we can find out u of r theta when v of r theta is given, and by using Milne-Thomson method we can find out the analytic function. Okay, thank you.